So what is even a bestie? Bestie is that person that bests you and bests you and bests you, even when others don't want to best you, when others are looking down on you.
I'm six on this unpredictable moves. I'm on a.
Hello everybody. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pat. P to the A to the T. My name is Pat. So today I'll be discussing on the topic that I titled Secrets to Keep to Yourself. Secret you should not tell anybody. Those set of people you should not tell your secret to. I know we just want to talk, but sometimes there are some secrets you just have to keep to yourself. Because I just want to itemize the people you should not tell your secret to. Number one, you see those married couples, those ones that like themselves. We are in that shoes. What do you think married couples used to discuss? You think after the punana, what do you think they discuss only about themselves? They discuss about married people are the best gossips. Yes. That thing you think you're telling that your friend that is married, she's going to tell her husband. And God bless you. The husband is a oh, God bless you. You tell the man wife is a before he hate. Third party we hate. Yes. So some of the people you should not tell your secret to are married couples, because you tell the wife, the husband go hear am. You tell the husband, the wife go hear am. So people of God, sometimes there are some secrets you just go to heaven with. Just go to heaven with it. Yes. Another set of people you should not tell your secret to are those talkative people that talk very, very well. When they will even spill the secret, they will not know. It's not that they are doing it intentionally. They are not doing it intentionally. But the fact remains that they talk too much. So when they will say the things they are not supposed to say, they will not even know. So just be like, oh, you know that. Now, so part two, she tell me, say, then give her 1 million naira. She can't spend 500,000. Can't use and buy hair. Like, she's not saying it because she wants to. It's just that she talks too much. So when she will be telling that your secret out, you will not even know. She will not even know. It's when she has finished saying it that person will now realize that, this girl told me as a secret, and now the whole world have known about it. So my people, if you know that your friend is a talkative, don't tell them that secret, because it's going to be an open secret. Another thing are envious people. People that are envious, people that are jealous. You have friends. If your friends are envious people, you will know. It's just that at times we don't like telling ourselves the truth. If your friends are jealous, they are envious, you will know. Don't just tell them, because they just feel they want to bring you down, but they are your friends. But they just feel the good things should be happening to them. So when you tell them this secret, they will go and tell somebody else. See what in part talks. It's just that I cannot keep it to myself. It's too heavy in my heart. It's too heavy in my heart. That is why I just said I should come and tell you. It's too heavy in your heart. Why don't you dismantle it for your heart? Must you go and tell somebody else? You tell somebody else, they'll tell somebody else to tell somebody else. You see envious friends. Run away from them. They have nothing to offer you than to leak your secret. My sister, there are some secrets that you will take to heaven.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Another set of people you should not tell your secret to are those immature people. You know you have friends that are immature in their thinking, the way they do things. Forget that they are 30 years old, they are 40. But the way they do things, the way they think, the way they relate, even you know in your heart of heart that this one, you say no. Those kind of people, don't even bargain it. Don't even think it. Don't even think about it. If you tell them your secret because they are immature, they will not feel leaking that secret is a big deal. They'll be looking at it, that sister, it's not a big deal now. I just said it's not a big deal. They don't see it as a big deal. But for you that is the owner of the secret, is a big deal. And the reason why you're telling this person, not because you don't have plenty options, but you feel this person is your friend, this person is your friend or friend. So let me tell this person this particular secret to get it off my mind, or this person should advise me. After the person finish advising you, the person will go and tell the whole world, oh, look at what Pat said, and look at the advice I gave to her. People of God, see those kind of people, don't tell them your secret. Another set of people you should not tell your secret are ex-friends. You know, there are some friends that you guys quarrel or you guys change location. All of a sudden, communication is not hard. You try to communicate by all means, but they are not forthcoming. You are the one doing all the communication, and you feel like, this person is the person closest to me. Let me still tell this person this thing. My sister, those people, they are holding that thing against you. They are time bomb. That's why I see that when certain people quarrel, you see that secret will start coming out. Hey, you did this, you did that, you did. There are some, see, I'm not saying it is not pride. See, if me and you quarrel today, I can never say that thing you said to me. That is the kind of person I am. I can never. And you did this, you said this. No. That's why when I see people quarrel, when I see husband and wife come on social media, start saying dirty things that we are not supposed to know, I marvel. And I'm like, yo, you're not supposed to say this. This thing was said to you in confidence. This is the person's secret. This person can actually delete because of this thing you just said, because of this thing you just did to this person, because these are innermost secrets. These are things they keep precious. These are things that can ruin people's life. But see those ex-friends, they are always having bullet points that they can use and hammer you. So my people, avoid those people. Another set of people you should not tell your secret to are those people that tell you other people's secrets. Yes, they are always they are the ones that know all everybody gist. They are always giving you gist. This person do. You never know what in part do. You don't know what in be yourself do. You don't know what in family do. I did there. Okay, I was there when it was happening. They are not amebo, they are not gossip, but just that they tell you other people's secrets and you're always swallowing it. You're always enjoying the gist. So now it's time for your own secret. They have to go and tell other people your own secret too, because that is the only way other people can feel comfortable to tell them their own secret, because the person have leaked your own secret, who is their best friend. That's why I tell people, when you're doing best friend, do best. You know who you are doing bestie with. Some bestie are winches in disguise, waiting for your downfall. I'm telling you, some bestie don't even want your goodness. So see me, I am everybody bestie. If you want to bestie me, I bestie you. We bestie together, So what is even a bestie? Bestie is that person that bests you and bests you and bests you, even when others don't want to best you, when others are looking down on you, when others don't trust your judgment, when others don't think there's anything good can come out from your place, from your heart, from your life. But these people still keep loving you no matter your situation, keep loving you no matter your circumstances, keep loving you no matter the situation. Some besties, you just wish... but calm down. Jesus is the original bestie. Yes, Jesus is the original bestie. So people, with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to convince you, to tell you that these are the set of people you should not tell your secret to. Keep your secret to yourself, or tell your sister, or tell your brother. Mostly for the girls, tell your sisters. For the boys, you can tell your brother, or tell yourself, or tell your bula, whatever it is. What I'm trying to say is that there are some set of people you shouldn't tell your secret to yet. If this video has been helpful to you, please give us a thumbs up, like, and comment. My name is Pat Eyaba. I do videos like this every other week, talk about things that are of interest to you and to me. I'm a lifestyle blogger, a mom vlogger based in Abuja, Nigeria. I talk about finances, social media influencing, how to be a good person. Also exploring Nigeria and Africa, and give you gist that will change your life and your narrative forever. So do it to subscribe, like, and comment. Like and comment. Like and comment.